आज ही ले आइए, हम लोग राजी है। अभी जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसमें 50% वुमेन रिजर्वेशन कर दीजिए, कर दीजिए। आज पूरा आप लोग ले आइए, रात 12 बजे तक हम लोग बैठे रहेंगे इधर। उसको लिए डिलिमिटेशन का जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत नाटंकी हो गया। करना चाहिए, एक दिन में हो जाएगा। 544, 50% वुमेन रिजर्वेशन, वी विल ऑल पास द बिल टुडे। हम लोग सब राजी है, कर दीजिए ना। हिम्मत नहीं है आपको, और इधर आके बड़ा बड़ा बात करता है, महाशक्ति, आद्या शक्ति, आशक्ति। अरे आद्या शक्ति के पहले पूजा कीजिए उधर, हाँ। और टीएमसी एआईटी से सुनेंगे, बहुत अच्छा है। मोदी जी का मन की टीम है ना। श्री राम का तो हनुमान जी था, और मोदी जी का कपाल में भाग्य में बंदर मिल गया, क्या करेगा। So, madam, I was reading and I was really surprised. This is our country. Is it our country? Never you did it. I will read the constitutional provisions also. Do you know how many women voting percentage in the country? Women voting percentage in this country is 65.78%. ये सरकार सब चल रहा है ना, ना kindly see, madam, when this 334A was brought, when 334A was brought, then kindly see, this has been made reservation of seats for women, reservation of seats for women in the House of the People, the Legislative Assembly, etc., that shall come into effect after an exercise of delimitation is undertaken for the purpose after the relevant figures. Why you have done it that time? Why you have said after the delimitation will come? Why do you didn't make this reservation policy will be implemented immediately? We have said so. You have not done it. You have made the point after the delimitation. Unfortunate part is 334A, this amendment was brought in 2023 and it has been implemented yesterday in the midnight. And this whole system, I don't know, Parliament Minister, you have tried to this, you are making the entire system of the Parliament into a mockery. The act which has not been given effect to, how there can be an amendment? I don't understand this point. Amendment कब होता है? जिसको लाइफ आता है उसका बाद तो amendment होता है। अब लाइफ ही नहीं दिया, amendment लेके चला आया। Somebody has advised Mr. Law Minister must be yesterday, that what are you doing? You have not given effect to. तब रात में नोटिफिकेशन निकल गया, जो रात में नोटिफिकेशन निकल गया, इफेक्ट दे दो भाई, नहीं तो totally faulty procedure you are taking. Now 334, this is the, you could have done it, this is not done. Now next point is, the evil intentions of the present bills have been brought in the House by calling today's House to start the delimitation in a hottest manner. What is the problem? हमारा इलेक्शन चल रहा है, हम लोग को छोड़ के उधर छोड़ के आना पड़ता है। जब गुजरात में इलेक्शन होगा तब तो एक महीना कोई हाउस ही नहीं बैठेगा। जब राजस्थान में इलेक्शन होगा तब एक महीना तो हाउस ही नहीं बैठेगा। हाँ, जब उत्तर प्रदेश में इलेक्शन होगा तो हाउस में नहीं बैठेगा। बंगाल में है, कर दो भाई, सबको ले आओ। तमिलनाडु को ले आओ, वो तो अपोजिशन में है, उनको लोग को ले आओ। This is the hottest manner, and this is totally unfair. This is an attack on the democracy. This is not a level playing field. Unfortunate. Now, madam, 50% of the ministry should be reserved for the women. And the Prime Minister's seat also be reserved for the women by rotation. अरे मोदी जी तो नहीं आएगा, चिंता क्या है? दे दीजिए women को 50%. And I respect this honorable speaker बिरला जी, मेरा बहुत प्यार का, बहुत रेस्पेक्ट करता है, बहुत अच्छा आदमी है, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली बीजेपी विल नॉट कम बैक इन पावर इन 2029. स्पीकर पोस्ट को भी रिजर्व कर दीजिए वुमेन के लिए, कर दीजिए. हम लोग राजी है. अरे वो लोग राजी नहीं है, हम लोग राजी है. क्या हम लोग राजी ना? 50% सीट शुड बी रिजर्व, 50% मिनिस्टर should be reserved. Why only Nirmala Sitharaman? Make more cabinet minister for the women. Let us hear, let us see. Madam, see, just give me, madam. Representation should be constitutional, not convenient. It should be constitutional, it should be done. We oppose the linking it with the delimitation. Women's reservation is not bargaining. Today you have brought it for the bargaining purpose, to pass the delimitation. You are making this woman representative woman bill for the bargaining purpose. Why should you accept it? We respect the woman. हम लोग नारी शक्ति के भरोसा करते हैं. The parity is stated, sir, madam, give me some time. TMC has already, madam, we have, 2011 we have come into the power in the state of West Bengal. And Mamata Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister's Mamata Banerjee's first step was 50% reservation in the local bodies. देख लीजिए उधर कितना प्रावधान है. We have done it. 50%. अरे बैठे. सीपीएम का सर लड़ने का हिम्मत नहीं था, बैठे. डेमोक्रेसी लिया है इसलिए बात करता है वेस्ट बंगाल. बैठे.
माननीय सदस्य.
सर, मैडम, there is no constitutional necessity to increase seats or undertake delimitation to implement women reservation. जरूरत नहीं है. The bill empowers women in text but empowers the executive in structure. Madam, what we say? We support the bill we will support the bill of the women reservation, but not with the delimitation. Reject the attempt to bundle delimitation with representation reforms. Madam, another important question, constitutional question. Question is, you have punched up, including Article 51 of amendment. You have punched up everything. What are the punched up? Madam, just important constitutional question. Minister, I will want to point it out to the ministers. You have punched up, you are amending Article 51 along with this bill. For passing the bills, you need 2/3. You don't have. And for Article 51, you have to go to the hub of the states. How can you do it? This is a political gimmick, nothing more than. You don't have any intention to make reservation for the women.
माननीय सदस्य श्री लाभू.
नाटंकी कर रहा है, पूरा नाटंकी कर रहा है प्रधानमंत्री जी.
माननीय सदस्य
पूरा ड्रामा चल रहा है.